tense at a time whenever you want to talk about your activities, your actions that is happening right now at this time. Well, I'm talking at the time of speaking, when you're talking, when you're doing something, and if you want to talk to people in English, so you need to use this tense. So we can say that all those actions, they are happening right now. Those actions, they are happening now at this time, at the time of speaking. Then we use present continuous tense. First of all, let me tell you the structure of it. Then after that, we will be making more examples. Structure we can follow here. First of all, we will use subject. After subject, in this case, in continuous tenses, in all continuous tenses, we use be verb in this case. What I have? Be verb. What I mean by be verb? Be verb means is, am, is, am, so we will be using is, am, according to the subject, whatever the subject it is. So these verbs will be followed. For example, if I say he, then I will use what? Is. He is followed by is. If I say she is followed by is. If I say they is followed by are. If I say I is followed by am. So this is the first structure. After be verbs, we use verb plus ing, or you can call it present participle. Verb plus ing, we can also call it present participle form of verb. Present participle. So present participle form of the verb or verb plus ing. Whenever you have verb plus ing, we call it present participle form of the verb. So after subject, we use be verb, and after be verb, we will be adding up that of verb plus ing. So I can say, for example, if I say play, after play, I need to put ing, playing. He is playing what? Cricket. He is playing cricket. She is sleeping, for example. She is sleeping. They are writing. I am teaching. So it's very easy to understand whenever you are talking, like right now, what am I doing? I'm teaching. I am teaching. I'm teaching. What are you doing now? You are watching me. So you are watching the video. So whenever you want to talk about those activities, they are happening now at this time, at the present time, then we can follow for that sort of situation. We need to follow that of continuous tenses or progressive tense. So you are talking now in the present time, then we are supposed to use that of present continuous tense. For example, you are not doing something now. I call you, and if I say, are you sleeping? You say, no, I'm not sleeping. So if you want to mark that in negative form, so you can use that of he is not. He is not playing. Just put not after is, mr. He is not playing. Or you want to say she is not sleeping. Or you can say they are not writing. Or I can say I'm not teaching. So that